This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com. Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell. What if I told you that you could enjoy apple pie guilt-free and that it could even help you lose weight? Today I want to share with you one of my favorite smoothie recipes, the apple pie smoothie, which can also turn into a smoothie bowl or nice cream, a healthier version of ice cream. So I'm going to use some of the tips and guidelines that I shared in my previous Level Up Your Smoothies video to show you how you can make a healthy, waistline-friendly apple pie smoothie. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And how better to enjoy your apple than in an apple pie smoothie? So the apple also contains a lot of insoluble fiber that helps to slow down the breakdown of the sugar. So in my previous video, I talked about the slow sugar trifecta: fats, fiber, and protein. So the insoluble fiber in the apple is excellent for slowing down the blood sugar spike that you might get from something like apple juice or candy. So then to add some more nutritional bang for our buck, help this smoothie to fill us up and satisfy our hunger longer, we're going to also be adding some chia seeds, and I will actually be using these chia seeds that have kind of turned into a chia pudding consistency. Again, the healthy fats and the fiber that help to slow our sugar. I'm also going to be using some cinnamon and these pumpkin pie spices. So it doesn't contain pumpkin, but this is the nutmeg, clove, and ginger that kind of creates the apple pie flavor we're going for. And I'm not going to use vanilla today, but I will just tell you, if you really want to pop the cake-like or pie-like flavor of your smoothie, add a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm going to be using coconut water as my liquid for this smoothie. Here are my apples. I'm also going to add some walnuts. So again, back to that idea of fats, fiber, and protein, all of which are contained in the amazing walnut. So adding those extra fats, protein, and fiber is going to make this an even healthier and more hunger-satisfying smoothie. And I personally don't often add additional sweeteners, but I do just want to mention that if you wanted some extra sweetness, you could use some honey or some 100% pure maple syrup to add nutritional benefits along with that additional sweetness. So let's start blending. I've got my clean blend here, incredibly high-powered blender, and it is supposed to kind of shift a little bit on there. That's how it's able to change through the different power level settings. It goes up to a 3 horsepower setting. So I'm starting with my apples. These are 2 kind of small or medium apples. You do want to remove the core though before we blend them. I'm also going to throw in about a half cup of walnuts. You could of course use almonds, cashews, or any other nut of your choice, but I personally love walnuts. They're really great for your heart, and they're also great for your brain. So a really lovely, healthful nut to add into your diet. I'm gonna go ahead and add some coconut water here, so we have a little bit of liquid at the bottom. Next up is my little chia seed pudding that has already been sitting here soaking in some water to give it a nice consistency. That will probably be a sufficient amount. Another great seed to add in is hemp seeds. This is a very neutral flavor type of seed. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and throw a couple in. Alrighty, throwing in this pumpkin spice, which is a blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. You could also add each of those ingredients in separately if you wanted. And I think it's important to kind of go by taste here. Some people like a lot of this flavor, some people just like a little bit. So I'm just going to let you kind of add to your taste preference. starting with the clean bend on low, I'm gonna flick it on. And slowly bring up the power. So if you're using frozen apples or frozen bananas, you may not need to add extra ice, but mine were not frozen today, so I am gonna add some ice. It's good to add in the ice at the end after the other things have been blended. Go. So there you have it, your apple pie smoothie that is guilt-free and actually good for you. I encourage you to start playing with the ingredients. You could always use a little less liquid or a little bit more walnuts, or maybe add coconut oil to change the consistency up. And just in general, adding whatever kind of flavors you would love to have in your smoothie. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, topic requests, or other smoothie recipes you'd like me to share, be sure to drop me a line down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.